Wonder Workshop Class Connect helps educators track students' progress and better understand where they are succeeding or struggling. Not yet a Class Connect user? Start a free trial today to get the full experience. Visit portal.makewonder.com to get started. In this video, we will be going over all the resources and features that are available to you in Class Connect. Head to makewonder.com to access Class Connect from Wonder Workshop's website. Click the My Portal button at the top right of the screen. This will take you to the My Wonder Workshop portal. After you've joined or signed in, click the Class Connect link at the top of the screen in the navigation bar. Now you've arrived in Class Connect. On the Class Connect page, you will see your teacher's unique code which you can use to connect your devices to. Check out our How to Connect Your Device video to learn more. You are able to create multiple classrooms for the different classes you teach and share them with your teachers by clicking on the Create Classroom and Share Classroom button. You may create as many classrooms as needed. Students can be added, edited, deleted, and moved at any time. Classrooms can also be shared with any teacher on your subscription, giving them access to manage the classroom and track students' progress. These features are only available for paid users. To learn more about these features, click on the Learn More button on the top of the Classroom tab. View and manage your connected devices by clicking on the Manage Device button. If you are a trial user, you are able to edit and add students to your default classroom by clicking on the My Classroom button. You will be brought to the next page where you can add, edit, and delete students' information. If you have purchased the Class Connect subscription, you can redeem the token by clicking on the Manage Subscription button and keying in your token. If you have any questions regarding the Class Connect portal, feel free to reach out to us by clicking the question mark on the bottom right of the screen. To find out more on how you can track your students' progress, head to the Tracking Progress video to learn more. Thanks for watching and have fun using Class Connect.